Before buying a marine Wi-Fi extender, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. TP-Link AX1500. The TP-Link AX1500 Wi-Fi extender caught my attention with its dual-band capabilities and a price tag of just $49.99. If you want to eliminate Wi-Fi dead zones while connecting up to 25 devices, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a total bandwidth of 1.5 gigabits per second, it delivers speeds of up to 1,201 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band and 300 megabits per second on 2.4 gigahertz. Imagine being able to stream, game, and download without interruptions, even if you're far from your main router. Many users rave about the ease of setup through the app and how well it covers up to 1,500 square feet, making it perfect for your boat or RV. Now, some people complained about it not boosting speeds, which is true to some extent. Here's the thing though, it does improve signal reliability, which can enhance your overall performance. So, if you're expecting it to double your internet speed, that might not happen, but it will definitely give you a stronger signal. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable way to extend your Wi-Fi coverage on your marine adventures. Skip this one if you need blazing fast internet, as it's designed more for coverage than speed. Now, if the TP-Link AX1500 speed limitations concern you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, TP-Link AC1900. Next up is the TP-Link AC1900, which is a little pricier at $49.99, but offers impressive coverage of up to 2,200 square feet. If you want to ensure that all your devices connect reliably, this one is worth considering. The AC1900 supports a total bandwidth of 1.9 gigabits per second, with speeds up to 1,300 megabits per second on the 5 gigahertz band and 600 megabits per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band. This means smoother streaming and gaming for up to 32 devices. If you're on a larger boat or have multiple devices running, this extender can significantly reduce dead zones, making your connectivity frustrations a thing of the past. Some users did mention that it can be tricky to set up, especially for those who aren't tech-savvy. But honestly, the potential for seamless connectivity across such a large area makes it worth the extra initial effort. This is perfect for you if you have a lot of devices or a larger area to cover. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget, since it's slightly more costly than the others. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who value simplicity. Product number 3, TP-Link RE220. Coming in at a wallet-friendly $16.99, the TP-Link RE220 is a solid option for those who want a basic extender. If you're looking for an affordable way to boost your Wi-Fi coverage without breaking the bank, this is worth a look. This dual-band extender covers up to 1,200 square feet and connects up to 30 devices, making it a great choice for small boats or RVs. The 733 megabits per second speed provides decent performance for casual browsing and streaming. Plus, its compact design means it won't take up much space. However, some reviews pointed out that it struggles with more demanding tasks like gaming or HD streaming. Here's the thing, if you mainly use it for light browsing or checking emails, it should do just fine. But if you're looking for high-speed gaming, you might need something more robust. This is perfect for you if you're a casual user or just want a backup option when you're out on the water. Skip this one if you plan to do any heavy streaming or gaming. Now, if the limitations of the RE220 sound like a deal breaker, wait until you hear about our next product. Product number 4, TP-Link RE615X. The TP-Link RE615X rounds out our list at $59.99, and it's designed for serious users who demand performance. If you want a powerful extender that covers larger areas and supports more devices, this is definitely worth your attention. With speeds of up to 1,800 megabits per second, it provides excellent performance for up to 64 devices. Its coverage extends up to 2,100 square feet, which is fantastic if you have a large boat or need connectivity throughout a campsite. The advanced beamforming technology helps to focus the Wi-Fi signal where you need it most. Some users did mention issues with the setup, which would be a bit complicated for beginners. But I'll be real with you. The effort pays off in terms of connectivity and speed if you're willing to tackle the learning curve. This is perfect for you if you have a busy household or are into streaming and gaming. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple and straightforward. Now, if you're seeking something to tackle outdoor challenges, the next product is specifically designed for that. Product number 5, WavLink AX1800. Finally, we have the WavLink AX1800, priced at $159.99. This isn't just any extender. It's built for outdoor use, making it ideal for farms, yards, and even RVs. If you need long-range connectivity in harsh weather conditions, this one is worth considering. With true IP67 weatherproofing, it can withstand heavy rain, snow, and extreme temperatures, which is essential if you're out in remote areas. The 4 custom-engineered antennas provide strong long-range coverage, while the Wi-Fi 6 technology supports multiple devices without lag. However, some users found it a bit pricey for general home use. But here's the thing. If you regularly spend time outdoors or need reliable internet for activities like remote work or streaming on the go, it's a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you need a durable solution for outdoor settings. Skip this one if you're only looking for indoor coverage and don't need the weatherproof features. So, to recap, the TP-Link AX1500 is great for basic coverage, while the AC1900 offers more range and speed. The RE220 is a budget-friendly option, and the RE615X supports heavy usage. Lastly, the WavLink AX1800 is perfect for outdoor environments. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs before diving in.